In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a discount in QuickBooks Online, ensuring that your customers receive the best offers while you efficiently manage your sales transactions. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. So, open up your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any other, and navigate to the QuickBooks website at quickbooks.intuit.com. Once you arrive, simply sign in using your account credentials. With that done, you're all set to begin. Now that we're logged in, our first step is to create a discount item, assuming you haven't done this already. You'll start by clicking on the gear icon, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of your page. From the drop-down menu, direct yourself to the list section and go ahead and select products and services. This will bring up a list of all the items and services you currently offer. In the top right, spot the button labeled New and give that a click. You'll be prompted to choose the type of item you wish to create. Here, you'll select Discount. Once you're there, it'll ask for a name for your discount. Something straightforward like Sales Discount is often the simplest choice. Next, decide if this discount will be a percentage or if it will have a fixed amount. Then, choose an income account to track these discounts. If you haven't set one up yet, you might want to establish an account in your chart of accounts specifically named Sales Discounts. Doing so will help you keep your finances well organized. After you've inputted all the necessary details, hit save, and your discount item will be all set up and ready for use. The next part of our task is to apply this freshly created discount to an invoice or a sales receipt. Begin by hitting plus New, which you'll usually find on your dashboard. From this menu, you can choose between invoice or sales receipt, depending on what fits your current situation. Add the products or services that your customer plans to purchase. Once everything is listed on a new line, choose the discount item you just set up. Here's where you'll input the discount amount or percentage that you intend to apply. QuickBooks takes care of the calculations, updating the total amount automatically, including the discount. Before you complete everything, it's always wise to double check your invoice or sales receipt, ensure the discount appears correctly and that all information is accurate and complete. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you have two options: save the transaction and send it directly to your customer, or simply save and close if you'd rather send it at a later time. There you have it. You've successfully applied a discount in QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward process that can significantly boost your customer service and keep your financial records in top shape. Thanks for tuning in and happy accounting.